Not a how-to, me having fun and helping me grow on my woodworking journey. Come along. It's that time of year again, starting to work on Halloween cards. This is proving to be a little cumbersome, threading my scroll saw blade in and out of each of these windows. A piece of my Halloween cards that I've been working on. I have the village that's going to go down below. And the last shot you saw was me cutting that out on the scroll saw. Now I tried to find images of Jack the Skeleton by doing the file type SVG Jack the Skeleton and clicking on images. But none of these images save. They're not working. So I went with trying to draw by hand. Now I'm pretty new at easel, so I squished the circles to work for the eyes, and then I used the line tool to try and do the mouth and each little line on its own. That's what I'm going for. Close. Still needs some tweaking. We shall see. I'm turning my Nightmare Before Christmas card Not into a Halloween card, but a happy anniversary card. My niece got married on Halloween, which I think is the coolest thing